Hey everybody, Mr. Polymers here. Thought I would do, this is my Flying 3DX6, here I'll get out in the light. Thought I'd do a little run today of this is a 2200 milliamp battery. As you see, it's far too big for the battery door, so what I have done, again, all my quads, I have Velcro. That's for two reasons. Number one, for the cameras, and number two, to put these larger batteries on. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this 2200 milliamp battery on the battery door itself. I placed a little cutout with a Dremel. That allows me to bring the JST plug on the outside. Kind of close that door. Here we go. We're going to start off with the Mobius camera. This is the Mobius here. While I'm doing this, here's the remote. I'm going to run the timer. Now granted, it's about 27 degrees out, but feels a little warmer with the sun. So I'm going to go ahead and put the Mobius on here. So that's what it looks like. Battery, Mobius camera. Go ahead and plug the quad in. Quad's plugged in. We don't want to forget the Mobius. So again, I'm going to run the Mobius, take some video, see how it looks. I'm going to land it, shut my timer off, and then run the, this is the number 18 808 keychain camera. Kind of get a perspective of the difference in video. And also, I'm going to get some kind of general runtime on this. Again, being so cold, it's not really a fair test. But obviously, I should get a lot longer runtime than the, I think 7 minutes or 7 minutes 30 seconds I got on the 1200 milliamp YKS battery. So let's go ahead and turn the Mobius on. Now I hope it doesn't shut off here because it has a bad habit. Mobius has a bad habit of shutting off when it gets cold. So it looks like it's running. I recommend landing this X6 in the grass, because it does have a habit of, bad habit of flipping when it hits the ground. So here's the remote. Now I've indicated what these switches are for. Manual, altitude hold, GPS, again manual, headless mode, and return to home. So we're not going to do return to home today. But anyway, let's see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and turn the remote on. Okay, everything's on manual. Let's get this going. I'm going to go ahead and voltage is at 7.3 volts. Not sure why it's so low. It's flying heavy. Voltage 7.4. Little bit of wind. My voltage says 6.9 volts already, so I'm going to bring her down. .3. My voltage is running all over the place. I'm a little concerned. Let me bring it over here. Yeah. Voltage is 6.9. Very strange. I'm not really that heavy on the throttle either. Go ahead and land it. As you see, the voltage is back up to 7.8 volts. Very strange. Go ahead and start this up again. Getting very erratic voltage readings on this. I forgot to set the timer, so we're not going to worry about the timer right now. I'll go ahead and set it now. Got the timer going, but we've gone through a couple minutes already. Getting a low voltage indication on the low voltage indication on the remote. It beeped at me. Bring her down. Now it's back up to reading 7.5 volts. It must be the load on it. So we'll go ahead and shut. Mobius camera still on. I'm going to go and shut this off. Mobius camera's off. Go ahead and put the keychain camera on. Let me go ahead and get it going. Keychain camera is on. They're going to put that on. Put that on. Okay, let's see how this works. Getting 10 satellites on the GPS. Little windy. something is putting a load on this. And I noticed my right rear motor has a little bit of drag to it. So that may be why I'm reading such low voltages on such a large battery. Okay, she went down. She went down on low voltage. Good thing. Good thing I've got snow. I'm going to turn the remote off. Okay. Thank goodness for the snow. As you saw, that came down fairly quickly. That's what I meant when I talk about LVC, low voltage cutoff. That's what happened. So we're going to put the little bit of video together, and I have to figure out why this thing, it could be just a bad battery. Could be a bad battery, but I'll have to check that out. It's Mr. Polymers. We'll talk to you guys later.